Basa ng mga salita po ng ating Panginoon. 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 1 up to verse 18 po. Sa bagong tipan po yan, mga kapatid. Now, verse 1, when then, as workers together with him, beseech you also that you receive not the grace of God in vain. Verse 3, giving no offense in anything, that the ministry be not blamed. In stripes, in imprisonments, in tumults, in labors, in watchings, in fastings. By the word of truth, by the power of God, by the armor of righteousness on the right hand and on the left. Verse 9, as unknown and yet well known, as dying, and behold, you live, as chastened and not killed. O ye, Corinthians, our mouth is open unto you, our heart is enlarged. Now for a recompense in the same, I speak as unto my children, be also enlarged. And what concord hath Christ with Belial, or what part hath he that believeth with an infidel?
What agreement to assemble blood with idols, and here the temple of the living God? As David said, I will dwell with them, and walk in them, and I will be their God, and they shall be my people.
Verse 17, wherefore come out from among them, and be ye separate, saith the Lord, and touch not the unclean thing, and I will receive you. Sabay-sabay po tayo sa verse 18, and will be a father unto you, and ye shall be my sons and daughters, says the Lord Almighty. Puri po Panginoon sa pagkabasa ng kanyang buhay at banal na salita.